Diode function is to make the electricity flow in one direction and cannot flow in the opposite direction. But what is the effect of this function on sine wave? Let's see. Circuit components. Our main component is diode. And we will use transformer. Its input is to 120 and its output 12 volt. Also, we will use our oscilloscope to see the input and the output of circuit. Connections. We will connect the primary coil of transformer to 220 volt AC. The output voltage of transformer is 12 volt AC. Now we will connect the two terminal of diode as you see in video. Now connect the load and our circuit is ready. To know the direction of diode, you will find a line on it. This line must be at the output of diode. Connect it as you see in video. Now you see the input power sine wave. After using the diode, the wave will transform to the yellow wave. You will find that the diode effect is to neglect the negative part of sine wave and give us new wave called unidirection wave. Here is diode output unidirection wave. Thank you for watching and do not forget your subscribe, share and like.